In this video, I'll show you how to trade futures on BingX. If you don't have an account, click the link below to sign up. You can get up to $7,700 as a welcome bonus and 20% fee rebate on all trades. Use code JC1ZN6 for these perks. Enter your email and password, then click Register Account. Once done, you'll see BingX's main interface. First, I'll show you how to deposit. Click Buy Crypto, then look for the B2B Trading feature. Next, click on this option. Click OK here as B2B Trading is person to person. You'll click here to buy USDT, transfer money to this person, and after the transfer you'll wait for their confirmation and they'll open this buy order. Then you'll receive USDT on the exchange. Alternatively, you can click Buy Quickly here, check this box and click Continue. Just enter the amount of USDT you want. For example, if you buy 100 USDT, you'll need to pay $105 USD. If you're in another country, you can select other currencies. After clicking Buy, it will ask which payment methods are needed, like here it's asking for Visa and MasterCard. If you don't have these, you can choose other methods below. Once B2B is complete, click on this box and confirm your purchase. After receiving your USDT, you'll transfer it to your future wallet. First, you'll go into this wallet section, which is the funding account. Here, I have 881 USDT, which is finding. You'll need to transfer it to a wallet called Future Wallet. Then you can start trading. For this transfer or conversion, I'll reverse it. Click here to switch back. Currently, I'm in funding position A. My USDT is in the funding wallet. Let's say I want to move to futures. Select futures here. Choose it, then enter 50 USDT. Finally, enable confirm. It'll subtract 50 from this wallet, then move to the futures wallet. I had 50 before, now I have 100. After that, you'll select futures next to spot. This opens futures trading. Choose USD future. Now you see the futures trading interface overview. First, pick the currency you want to trade. It's set to BTC by default, but you can choose ETH, Solana, Cardano, or USDT. Let's go back to Bitcoin. For the time frame, it's set to 15 minutes. You can change it to 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours. Or maybe one day it will just take 15 minutes, right? And then at the bottom here there will be an order. Whether I open or close an order, it will appear. Right down here, this is where the transaction history will be. My transaction history will be on the side of the frame at the bottom here, right on this side where I will enter the market. The market is you, and you will immediately enter at the current price. Like if the price is 108, if you predict it will go up, you enter the amount you want to trade right here. For example, if I want to place an order for $10, right? Here I will enter these $10. Then my friend will click to predict it will rise, and then my friend will click to open a long position to go up, or to open a short position to sell down. The leverage I'm putting is 20, but by default it is flexible and you can always adjust it. Up here, it will be called leverage, like my $10 here would use 20 times leverage. This $10 will be leveraged 20 times. If you don't want to risk your account, adjust it to about 10 or 5. This is leverage for sell orders and this for long orders. Set your desired leverage, save it, and it'll be stored above. Now just click to open a long position. If you predict it'll go up but the price isn't right, you can use the limit option. For example, if you think it'll drop to $107, set that as the limit. The order will open when it hits that price. Open the order with $10 and 10x leverage. Set both to 10. With 10x leverage on $10, if you predict it'll go long and increase, open a long position. I'll click it now. Here's the price at 107. When it reaches this price, 7 times 10 makes it go up to 90.96 USD. Click this config tick and you'll see an order here. When the price hits 107, it's currently 108, this order will activate. If Bitcoin rises, you'll profit. If it falls, you'll lose. You can set TP and SL. TP is take profit, SL is stop loss. Add them, click continue. For take profit, choose a percentage, like 5%. At 107, it's 1076.32. For stop loss, at 5%, it's 101.65. Close the order like this. Don't forget to click the link below to register on BingX and get 7,700 USD for new users, plus more benefits. 20% trading fee rebate on all your orders from spot to futures will be refunded to your account.